Welcome, everybody, to the winner ceremony of the Agentic Commerce on Arc Hackathon with Circle, Arc, Gemini, GoogleDeepMind, Google AI Studio, MindsDB, Natively AI, all within LabLab AI ecosystem. We are streaming live straight from San Francisco, from the MindsDB office. We've had the best talents from all around the world building on Arc for the last 2 weeks. And now it's the moment to crown the winners. First of all, I would like to welcome Corey Cooper, Senior Manager at Developer Relations and Ecosystem Marketing from Circle, to officially open the winner ceremony.
Thank you. Yes, thanks everyone for coming out. I will say the talent here in SF is unmatched. It was very tough for us to judge. So for all the teams that participated, we really appreciate it on site and online. And if you didn't win, that does not mean that we do not think you have a great product or idea. Please still talk to us. We definitely want to engage. And we really appreciate, all the innovation that was built on the technology that a lot of our team members, some of them here, Herschel and Anthony, work on every day. But also, too, we want to remind everyone that you all in the room, the developers, are the reason why USDC has grown, over the last, 8 years. For us to say that, last year, $3 trillion of dollar settlements happened on chain via USDC. That couldn't have happened with people like you all in this room. And the future of money movement, is this happening before our eyes? If you see all the conversations that are happening at Davos around stable coins, it's around the marriage between stable coins and AI agents. And so you all are a part of this. And so we want to, continue to build the best protocol level technology and put it in the hands of everyone in here. And we really appreciate it.
Thank you, Corey. As we've had both on-site builders in San Francisco and online builders, and also tuning live the people from all over the world to actually watch the winners being crowned who did not take part in this hackathon. Let me quickly remind you what was the challenge at this hackathon and what the best talents from all over the world have been building for the last 2 weeks. So our participants were challenged to build the next generation of agentic commerce on Arc with USDC, Gateway, and Circle infrastructure. A lot of participants got access to early access to the Circle tooling, which took them basically on the next level with testing as one of the first people from the world. And let me tell you, we've had more than 100 submissions in total, and now it's time to crown the best ones. We've had multiple tracks to choose from, so all the participants were able to build either gateway-based micropayments integrations, trustless AI agents, autonomous commerce applications, dev tools, app builder applications, and we also had an extra prize for the best product design. The required technologies at this hackathon were obviously Arc and USDC. However, we also had extra recommended technologies, so Circle Wallet, Circle Gateway, Circle Bridge Kit, and X402 Facilitator. We've also had an extra challenge by GoogleDeepMind at this hackathon. So if the participants implemented Gemini models and Google AI Studio to power the based on Circle and Arc applications, they were eligible for extra prizes. So in total, we have $50K in USDC and Google credits for prizes at this hackathon. And let me tell you a small little surprise from Google. Basically, the plan was to have $10K in USDC for the prizes and take 10K worth of dollars in GCP credits. However, the quality of all the solutions impressed the judges so much that instead of $10,000 in GCP credits, we'll have $40K in GCP credits for both on-site and online participants. So now, without further ado, it's time to crown the winners. We'll start with the on-site hackathon winners with the main hackathon challenge. So let me simply remind you what the prizes were for the podium. First place gets $3,000 in USDC, second place $1,500 in USDC, and the third place gets $1,000 in USDC. And I would like to give it to Corey Cooper from the Circle team to announce the on-site winning teams.
All right, so we are going to start off with third place, Vibe Card. Yes, yeah, come on. Thank you. So we really enjoyed just watching kind of the passion behind his pitch and the thoughtfulness around how he could help monetize vibe coders in their templates. And so we think, with all the stuff that's happening in the world with a lot of these vibe coding platforms, Lovable, Replit, also too, the one that we released to this ecosystem of members who participated, the Circle App Builder, we think there's going to be a huge, surge of vibe coding templates that developers can make and monetize. And so we thought it was pretty clever,
Should I keep building it then?
Yeah, you should. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Want to say something? Say any words? Yeah.
Yes. I thought it was a great hackathon. This is my third one. I'm only vibe coding. I'm a vibe coder, not a coder. But they were all vibe coding platforms or hackathons. This is the first real hackathon that I've won anything in. So, yeah, very, very happy with that.
Thank you.
Stay up there.
All right. So second place was Alsa Escrow. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, we were very impressed with just kind of the integration. One of our user control wallets to make it non-custodial as people kind of interacted with your escrow contract. We liked how you showed kind of the streaming logs of the tokens that were being charged, and then the escrow would pay, after. So the integration was very nice, and then also too, it was just very impressive that your platform was already in market, one of the leaders in the space, and so there's a huge fit for adding stablecoin payments to your platform. So yeah, we were very impressed. Yeah.
Thank you. So a few words, since I'm a full-time product lead, part-time DevRel with ISA. So I think my words will be give a try and go to isa.one or marketplace.isa.one, sign up, create an account, and come to me if you need more credits. We have Unify API that give you proxy to 50 plus models, data, domain-specific data, and web search. Yeah, this is the beginning. Thank you.
All right. And first place, News Facts. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I just thought the concept was very interesting and clever, and also too, with social media being the way that everybody consumes information and everybody has a phone and wants to get credit and paid for, them being, the true source of content that's shared for how news travels in the modern world. I think that this project actually has the potential to be like the backbone of how creators actually monetize being part of like sourcing news with video content. So want to give some words about kind of the problem.
Yeah, so I started this project yesterday around like 11, and I want to thank Circle DevRel teams. I forgot your name. Harshal. So he helped me to understand how they use X402 and all other tools within like 15 or 20 minutes. And, the rest of the Circle team was really helpful. And the rest was, vibe coding and some system architecture. And yeah, thank you guys for a great opportunity. And thanks to you guys. Too.
Thank you. All right, so we'll go on to the other awards. Okay. So for the online hackathon winners, because the ones who couldn't make it, we appreciate you all participating online. So for second place is Arcana. Yes. And is the Arcana team on this live stream? Okay, are they on the live stream?
It's an
Okay. Okay. Well, hopefully, if you're watching live, we really appreciate the project. The financial component for agents to be able to kind of operate as different financial members in a org. We really like the idea of like multi-agent systems that are acting as different financial roles in an organization. So the first place winner is Arsoft Agentic Bank. And so that team was very clever. They built basically a neobank that issues loans, and they have basically a multi-agent system that handles basically the orchestration of the loan or origination of the loan and handling just notifications around repayment and also credit worthiness of the actual people who are trying to get loans. And so we think this is a great opportunity, especially in emerging markets. So those were our online winners. And then for best design. So this was really around like front end experience, but also to not just the front end experience, but also to like just the user experience and the flow, and then also the practicality of like, is this how a user will interact with this product? And so that went to the Commerce Studio. So they had a very, very sleek design of how their, user stories and the actual end user would interact with their product, but also to just the use case that they were solving for was a very big use case. Anybody who's ran an e-commerce store doing product shots for your products and uploading them to your e-commerce platform is very tedious. And so basically they allow for people to use AI agents to actually generate the actual product images with models. And so those actual results were really nice, but also the customer was basically loading up their wallet to pay for these agents to actually generate product shots and then like actually create galleries and SKU numbers and all those things and upload it to actual Shopify platform. So it was very clever and the UI was really, really nice. So thank you to all the teams that participated and to the winners. And like I said before, this was a tough hackathon to judge because there were a lot of really good projects. And so we want to stay engaged with as many teams as possible. So the ones that we chose, the winners, doesn't mean like, we don't care about the other projects because everybody did a great job. Yeah.
Thank you. Congratulations once again. You really did amazing. All of you, every single team, both on-site and online. And now it's time to announce the next batch of winners. So, as I mentioned, the prize pool from GoogleDeepMind increased from $10,000 worth of dollars to $40,000 in GCP credits. So from now on, the first place winner gets $20,000 in GCP credits, the second place winner $10,000 in GCP credits, and the third place winner $5,000 in GCP credits. In addition to that, The podium is not only for the first 3 places. Google also prepared 5 extra prizes for you, so 5 honorable mentions, because it was so hard to actually choose the best projects if the quality of all the projects was so high. So additional 5 prizes worth $1,000 in GCP credits. The prizes were available for both on-site and online teams. So if the project utilized Gemini in the overall solution, in addition to Arc and USDC, was eligible to get that. Now, on behalf of the Google team, I would like to announce the winning teams. If it comes to 5 honorable mentions, getting $1,000 in GCP credits each, we've got 5 teams, one by one. Router AI, Fane, Financial Entity Intelligence Network by Fine of the Gemini, Arcent by Protocol 402, Universal Stablecoin Payment SDK for Arc Network by ArcPay SDK, and Insurance AI, Instant Autonomous Insurance Settle by 1x1 Labs. These are all the online teams, so everybody tuning in live, congratulations. And now, time for the podium. The 3rd place winner, getting $5,000 in GCP credits, is Project JoyKeep by Team JoyKeep. Second place, getting $10,000 in GCP credits, Project Arc Merchant, Autonomous X402 Micropayments by Series 402. And the 1st place winner, getting $20,000 in GCP credits, Project Omni Agent Payment Infrastructure for AI Agents by Omni Arc. Team Omni Arc was with us in San Francisco on-site. Is the team still present in here? Come jump on the stage. Congratulations. On behalf of the Google team, they are watching us live, so we'd really love to hear about your project.
Thank you so much, and thank you guys for having this amazing hackathon, and it's a great pleasure to learn from all of you guys here today. I had a lot of fun. So literally, the idea is from the pain point of my team lead's daily usage. He's a freelancer in Nigeria, and he needs to get paid by USDC, and he also utilizes a lot of agent pays in his day-to-day life. So he really wanted some agent to help him pay some like asset bills or like the water, the electricity, you know. So he literally designed this based on Gemini, and by building this SDK and all the MCP server infrastructure, you can literally try our product and use it to link to whatever AI agent of your own. So just imagine, and we have more products of the ecosystem to be released. For example, Omni Memory to help your AI memory better for your own like data or whatever. Yeah, anyways, thank you so much. And thank you for the generous credits, Gemini team. Appreciate.
Thank you very much. Congratulations to the whole team. These were all the winning teams of the 2nd edition of our Lab Hackathon with Arc and Circle. If it comes to the upcoming hackathons, I always say, do keep the momentum going. You're already selected as best talents, tuning in from everywhere and in San Francisco. So keep building. We've got 2 more upcoming challenges happening soon. So all of the hackathons that I will mention, you can join online as they are hybrid. So the first one is Deriv AI Talent Sprint, happening from February 6th to 8th. So 48 hours to build the next big thing with Deriv, with 10,000 plus USD prize pool and career opportunities. So if you're looking to scale your career in the field of AI, that's the challenge to join. The next hackathon that we've got prepared for you with the LabLab team is with Surge. It's called Launch and Fund Your Own Startup, which is a $1 million plus Startup Challenge series powered by Search. The first edition is focused on AI and robotics. The prize pool, as you can imagine, is $1 million plus. And it's happening online and in San Francisco in the same venue that we are streaming from right now, right from the MindsDB office. You can join it from anywhere. The online phase lasts from February 6th till February 14th, and the on-site finale February 14th till February 15th. It's done by Search with natively LabLab, Google AI Studio, Gemini, Google DeepMind, and Vultr. So I really encourage you to join it. We'd really love all of you to share your journey, to tag all the partners that you've been building with, to not keep the project just for yourselves, but share it with the bigger audience. Also, to everybody watching us right now, I wanted to let you know that you can discover all the 100 plus solutions built during this hackathon on the LabLab AI website, and check what others have built, check out the winning solutions. And that takes us to an end of the Agentic Commerce on Arc hackathon. Thank you to all the hackers. And now I would like to invite Corey Cooper from the Circle team to have a final word after the stream. And from the LabLab team, congratulations to all the hackers. You did amazing.
I don't know if you all want to hear any more words from me, but thank you all for coming out. And we have another hackathon that's coming up with LabLab. We haven't set the date, but they will email you all once we set a date. And we would love for you all to participate, in this next hackathon we have. It'll probably be before April. So just stay tuned. All right.